Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is part 2 of our Maldives tour, which is ocean tour. We'll be covering shark points, stingrays, dolphins and sandbanks. And these are the highlights of today's video. We hope you enjoy the video.
So now we're heading towards our tour, and our tour guide is giving the instructions. So for this tour we paid $50 per person.
The islands are also home to wildlife including dolphins, turtles, sharks and stingrays. Now we have reached shark points. Here we can click pictures with sharks, do snorkeling, drone shots with sharks, and the drone shot cost additional $20 per shot.
Don't be scared.
Ida mohan snorkeling kura ase, tanu mohan ke life jacket aru snorkeling gear mohan ke t-shirt mohan itu lagai luna pani kusigena pani la andar de sea animal kan kiman ase sab bhal bhai dikhibo pare ase aru because de inga snorkeling de inga dikhe de sabi to ay kishim mas shark aru sab dikhe ase.
Now we're on our way to see the dolphins. However, there's no guarantee that we'll spot the dolphins, but we were very lucky to witness the dolphins. We hope you enjoy seeing these dolphins around.
Oh my god!
Bye dolphins.
Bye bye dolphins. Another group.
So guys, we are here in Fulido, which is a public island, and we are here to see the stingray. So enjoy watching the stingray.
Now we are on our way to Sandbank. Sandbank is a submerged part of land, only a part of which peeks out of the water body. This body of water may be an ocean, a sea or a river. The Maldives is a home of countless little sandbanks and sandbars which were once reached but now sunken due to the global rise in the sea levels. And yes guys, if you're planning to visit Maldives, don't forget to get the sunscreen or else you'll be tanned like a brownie. As we all know, Maldives has a tropical climate that is consistently hot and often humid all year round. We hope you enjoy our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs. Thank you for watching.